Evening. My name is Major Wes Whitaker, and today I want to talk to you about a website that I came across that can help relieve stress. As an educator, you're not only a teacher, we're not only teachers, but we're counselors, have to do a lot of listening, and our students have a lot of stress. They're trying to deal with remote learning and not being able to socialize with their friends. They may have stress from home, and if you're any kind of student, if you get behind in your classwork, that becomes even more stressful. And so this website, depending on the interest of the student, can really help someone relax. So let's just go through some of these features here. So this is the Hawaii Ocean or Ocean in Hawaii. That definitely is relaxing for me. If you love dogs, for example, oh wow, look at this. I kind of want to do this myself. Must have heard me. Sorry for waking you up there, buddy. He's look, he's looking around like they can hear me. It's crazy. But anyway, this could be relaxing. Or if you like pandas, and we're not talking about the restaurant, we can look at some pandas. And this panda like is having a good time there on the tree. Or if we like underwater things, for example, we want to see the manatee underwater. This could definitely be relaxing as well. But for me, I'm going to go back to the ocean. And we're going to pause this for a second. So I selected this resource to help my students relax and relieve the stress due to remote learning and not socializing traditionally in a face-to-face teaching environment. As educators, we have to recognize that mental stress from home, before tests, and trying to catch up on past due assignments is real and can be stressful. My goal in using this resource of live cams worldwide is used to reward my students for hard work or if they're stressed before a test, competition, or even when we do one-on-one counseling. My target audience is those who are stressed as well as myself. Sometimes I can use this myself. The ISTE standards for students are covered in ISTE 1, B and C, and ISTE 6A. The ISTE for educators is ISTE 3D, and in regards to the final product, knowing the interests of the students is helpful. Suppose students they love animals, places, oceans that can make them feel relaxed. By having something like this, opens up the lines of communication, they can tell you what's bothering them, and they can be relaxed before a test, competition, or other things that might make them stress. So with that, we're gonna hope you all enjoy. Take care.